Hi there, and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. As mentioned in my last video that I will come up with a brand presentation for this project, so here I am. I have attached the link to the previous video in the top right corner of this screen, so do watch that before you proceed to this one. So let's get started. First, we will decide on an artboard. Taken 1080 pixel height and width because that is the actual size of an Instagram post. I have picked 6 artboards and all are arranged in a row. Now let's begin our work. You all might be wondering what a messy canvas this is. But don't you worry, all of these material will get inside my artboard. Just wait and watch. So there is no particular way in presenting. Everyone has his or her different style of presenting. But you need to follow few principles. Don't try to overcrowd your design. Don't put each and everything that you have. Give some breathing space inside your design. As the quote goes, less is more. Make sure that your design has some visual hierarchy. So when a viewer views your design presentation, he or she goes throughout. And that can be done with the arrangement of the elements inside your presentation. And here is the brand presentation. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.